In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add soft body simulation to an already animated object in Cinema 4D. If you've got an object that's already keyframed and moving the way you want, but you'd like it to wobble, squash, or jiggle in response to the world around it, this workflow is exactly what you need. The idea is simple. We'll keep the original animation as the main driver, then layer a soft body simulation on top so the mesh can deform and react physically without losing the motion you've already animated. Start by selecting your animated object and applying a soft body tag. As soon as that tag is on, Cinema 4D treats the mesh as a deformable body that can bend and bounce. That's great, but by default, a soft body won't necessarily follow your keyframed motion. To preserve your animation while adding dynamics, open the tag settings and head to the Mix Animation tab. This is where you tell the soft body how tightly it should stick to its original path. You'll see options to bind the object's points back to the animation using either force or pins. Force acts like a spring pulling every point toward where the animated mesh would be on that frame. It's ideal when you want the whole object to keep up with the motion, but still allow secondary jiggle. Stronger force values make the mesh cling closely to the keyframes. Lower values let it lag behind and wobble more. Think of it as a follow strength that you can dial in for the right amount of elasticity. Pins, on the other hand, let you anchor specific points to the animation while the rest of the mesh flexes around them. This is great for scenarios like attaching the base of an object firmly to its animated path while the top deforms freely. Use pins when you need certain areas to remain locked in and predictable, and leave the rest to act like soft tissue. Once you've chosen force or pins, preview the timeline and watch how the object now follows your animation while responding to collisions and other simulations in the scene. If it feels too rigid, ease off the binding strength. If it slides or drifts too much, increase it until the motion feels right. You can also fine-tune the character of the wobble by adjusting softness-related settings in the soft body tag, balancing between stability and expressive deformation. With this approach, you retain complete control over your original animation while unlocking believable reactive motion that integrates naturally with the rest of your simulation.